Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop. This behind me is a 1992 Dodge Stealth RT that I'm working for my wife on. This video is going to be up on rear motor mount replacement. This is replacement from 3SX. It got as a whole kit for all 4 mounts, the 2 engine and 1 tranny. This video is only going to be dealing with the rear. My car is, or the car that my wife has, is a non-twin turbo. It's an NA motor. It's a dual overhead cam, but it is torn out. Let me show you what this looks like. We're going to be super slick and fast. Basically, if you can see down there, that motor mount is massively ripped and torn. I'm going to remove it and see if I can get it out. I have a jack put up underneath the transmission side connection to help pull off any weight, because you can see that it's pretty well ripped and shot. This is going to help me out do some other stuff, hopefully, but I'm going to try removing this solely from the top and see what I get. I may have to take some stuff off by the battery and come from that side, but I think I can get it from the top. I'm really going to try it on the side. So yeah, so here we go, everybody. 3, 2, 1, time warp. Boom! Off time warp, everybody. As you can see, it has been removed. I know it didn't really show me too much. I was just fighting, trying to get the center bolt out. The bolt came out, but getting it to free away from the ears. And then origami. My biggest problem was trying to origami it around the power steering line that's against the firewall back there. It just adds a layer of pain in the butt to you. That being said, you obviously saw beforehand, that's terrible. That is absolute garbage. Next one, better. Hopefully I can get it in. That's my next thing. Because this goes to the back of the firewall, so it doesn't go back in. I'm gonna clean the 4 bolts on up. Probably throw some anti-sleaze on them, or anti-seize as one would say, to get this so that it can come out again, maybe if I needed to. I think that's gonna help out a big problem with my motor moving around quite a bit on this thing, because this is just all shot. That rubber's destroyed. So next up, that going back in. But I'm taking a break because my hands are super sweaty and it's like 80% humidity here. Boom, off time warp, everybody. As you can tell, motor mount is now in. Pain in the butt. Realistically, the biggest problem got to be is the center bolt, or say the carrier goes in between on the rubber, was slightly too big, so I had to take a metal file and clean that lens up. Shave it down enough so I can get it in. I don't know the torque specs. I just went down to where it felt tight. Nothing fancy there. If I know them, I'll get it down to you guys. Yeah, this sits a lot better now. That's 2 out of the 4 for me. Next up, probably I'll replace the front one at some point, which has its own unique problems, which is, from what I understand, is the bolts that go straight down, because it's a 3-bolt. Hang on, just this will be a recap for the future one. This front is these bolts right here, these 2 front ones, or 2 back ones on the front one, as the case may be. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get to, as in you have to take the whole bracket off the block. That's what I've been told or seen. We'll see. I'll see what I can do to get it out. But that's not this video. That's a future video later on. So yeah, hopefully people find this helpful, informative. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. Getting it out, you got to origami it back in. It just took time. It is what it is. So please like and subscribe. Everything helps, guys. See ya. Bye.